Welcome everybody, this is another video. It's your boy Crypto Weapon, and we're here to showcase a platform that I'm going in for the third cycle, which is Falcon Invest. Now, if you're new to the channel, this is the daddy of all daddies when it comes to the DeFi space, and when it comes to me showcasing what I'm doing in the DeFi space. And this is a space where I look to get into platforms, R.O.I, go in with the platform funds, so that is with the profits I've made from the platform, take my capital out and milk the platform for passive income on a monthly basis. So you've got platforms that I'm in that I've showcased before. So Copy AI, that's house money. Falcon house money. CloudFi, we dodged a bullet in this particular platform. So this just showcases my journey, and this one is another fantastic one that we've just gone into, where you can get 3 to 4% every day, and your capital is available after only 12 hours. So you could go in with 1,000, get 3%, pull out your 1,000, and just use your 3% house money. So that's what we're looking to do. It's a young channel. Guys, if you do like the content that we're pushing out on this channel, please do like and subscribe. We're trying to get to 300 subscribers, and with your help, that would be possible. And we obviously appreciate all the support. Now, if we cross over to Falcon, this is where it's all going down. This platform has been around for about 5 months now. I've been in it for 2 months. This pays 150 R.O.I in just 30 days. So for instance, if you had 1,000 USDT, in 20 days you would receive your 1,000 back, and then the next 20 days you would get the extra 50%. So after 30 days you would get 1,500. So this platform pays out every day, so not weekdays but every day, and you get your investment back with your gains on a daily basis. So your capital is coming back to you every day, so you're reducing your actual capital investment and your position in the platform every day. So basically nothing is locked up until the end, like some of the other platforms that we're in. So this is why this platform is key, and I like it. We're using the black interface today. You can obviously do that and switch to the light interface. We're going with this one, and I'm just about to sign into the platform, and let's see what I'm up to in this third cycle. Right guys, so we're back into the platform. So this is us in Falcon Invest. Now if we look at the account section, and I deposited USDT Tether, so if I click that, you'll find that I have got 30 USDT that I'm able to withdraw. Now we've obviously done it again, guys. We've gone in with another 300. I've been in this platform 3 cycles. This is the third cycle. My first cycle I had 250. The second cycle was 300 USDT, and we've gone back in with 300 USDT. Now this 300 USDT is house money, guys. So I do not have any of my money in the platform. I just simply make 15 USDT every day. So if we take a look at what I've pulled out since I went back in, so I think it was the 24th of August, somewhere there, where it could have been further down actually, when my second cycle was complete. I went in with another 300, and I was able to withdraw 76 and 50 USDT 2 days ago. I've obviously made 15 and 15, which is the 30 that you see here now. So this is my third cycle. Let's take a look at it in more detail. So just here on the 22nd of August, we went in with 300. We are 5 days in to a 30-day sort of cycle. Now remember guys, if you did start with 300 for instance, it would take you 20 days to get your 300 back, and then the last 10 days would be you benefiting from the 50% uplift on your capital. So you'd be benefiting for 150 there on in. Now this platform is obviously a powerhouse. It stood the test of time. I am going to do a withdrawal live and enjoy the benefits of this platform. Now this platform has been going for 5 months easy, and I've obviously been in it for 2 months and 5 days. I like this platform because it pays every single day. So it's not working day, it's simply every day. Okay, never do that. So that's successful. If we take a look at the withdrawal, so there it is. Like I said, I withdrew that after 4 or 5 days, and now, or 3 days, and now I'm withdrawing this. Now it does take 4 hours to 30 minutes to receive this payment, so I look forward to that becoming available to me in the next hour or so. So this has been fantastic. So this platform is obviously performing. Guys, remember there is a link in the description for the Telegram group. Join that Telegram group. We can ask questions. You can talk to me there. Subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Make sure that you obviously take precaution within this space. This is the DeFi space. Put your 2FAs on all the platforms you get into. Only use risk capital. And guys, I always talk about diversification. Diversify yourselves in multiple platforms. Guys, with every platform, get in, make house money, pull out your initial, even though your initial should be risk capital, and just work the platform. Eke out as much as you can from the platform and live to fight another day. For all your DeFi space updates and platforms that I'm doing as well, I'm here to update you on what's going on, and